Abundance bracelets. These are the very unique combination customized crystal bracelet that we have made. It helps you improve in holistic abundance in terms of health, financial, as well as relationships. So this is made up of three crystals: citrine, pyrite, and granite. So all the crystals have various different properties like purifying your energy, protecting your energy, amplifying your thoughts, emotions, feelings, and many benefits. These are consecrated in a specialized way to give you deeper healing effects so that your mind, energy, and aura start attracting new abundance opportunities in your life. So if you want to start developing holistic abundance, make sure you use this abundance bracelet. Also, if you use with the combination of citrine water bottle, be it glass bottle or plastic, it amplifies multifold because cellular level changes happen. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hear your own personal success stories of manifesting more abundance in your life with the help of this citrine, pyrite, and granite combination of abundance bracelet. This is for those who don't know or want to know what are crystals actually. So crystals are form of minerals that are formed within the earth. If you see, all the gadgets has some or other kind of crystals. Crystals has the property to amplify the signals whatever are being sent through them. Crystals have its own conscious beings energies within it. It's in a higher evolutionary state. There are different kinds of crystals, thousands of kinds of crystals. In this store, you find limited number, which we feel are apt to address some various aspects of life. That's why we keep it limited. So that's why when you utilize crystal in whatever activity you do, it starts amplifying, be it related to health, finances, relationship, spiritual aspects. It helps in start amplifying. So use combination of various crystal. If you want to use physically, use in the form of pendant, bracelet, or mala, so that they are always in contact with you, and so that your every cell of mind and energy of your system continuously is at a higher state of vibration. You are not impacted with lower vibratory energy. Use combination of crystals. If you are using bracelet, use 2-3, that is sufficient. Don't use so many different types. And always use combination of water bottles as well along with it, because when you use crystal water bottles, it helps in clearing and reprogramming at the cellular level. Why? Because our body is 70% of water. When the crystal energy goes at the water level also, it helps in very powerfully transforming. All the crystals in this store I personally consecrated by me, energized and charged, so that you can directly utilize its used for specific purpose. So when it comes to bracelet, pendant, and mala, if you are personally using, no other people should touch it or no other people should use it. Only you need to use. If you are using a water bottle, entire family can utilize it.